Hello friends, I'm talking about Mongoloid tribes. Now, it is a 2-mark question. As the other tribes, Mongoloids were also known by other name. It is Kirat. Now you could ask me question that this name is given by whom? But it is a historically spoken that Kirat. But for asteroids, we have studied that the Nishad name given by to asteroids by Aryans. For Aryans, we have already understood. We have to understood in future that the other name it is a Nordic. And earlier we have studied about the Negritoid, that Negroes and Habashi are two different names have been used for these Negritoid people. So now you keep in your mind for Mongoloid the other name is Kirat. Okay, now the second point of this answer is from where they came. They came from China. Okay, I repeat, they came from North China, but on by which road? By the road of Tibet. Today the Tibet is in between China and India. Above the Nepal, it is called Tibet. It is today. China has already encroached that part. Right? Today. Tibet is encroached by China. Encroach means हड़प लेना, किसी ने झपट लिया, हड़प लिया. Right? Due to that the 1962 war was being taken between India and China. So now you keep in your mind, Mongoloids came from North China by the way of Tibet to India. Okay, now where they have established in India? In North Assam. First place is North Assam. Also with them in Sikkim. Nearby the Sikkim there is a Bhutan. Bhutan is the independent nation today, but it is connected with us by the geographical boundary. So Bhutan, thereafter West Bengal also. So keep in your mind where they have been settled. North Assam, Sikkim, Bhutan and West Bengal, they have been settled. Okay, now which are their physical features? So the next point of the answer is which are physical features of Mongoloid? Okay, as they are from China, so their look are obviously Chinese look. Pale yellow complexion, not fair but pale yellow complexion, right? Flat face, right? Chubby cheeks and almond shaped eyes. I repeat, pale yellow complexion, flat face, chubby cheeks and almond shaped eyes. These are their physical features. Okay, now you remember that Mongoloid came to India and they settled to India. It is also considered as their Indianization. Now sometime you may ask me question, what's the meaning of Indianization? From being other countries residents convert themselves as an Indian means आप कहीं बाहर से आते हो, यहाँ आ जाते हो और लंबे वक्त तक यहाँ रहते हो तो आप बन जाते हो भारतीय. इसको हम हिंदी में भारतीयकरण भी कहते हैं. इट इज कॉल्ड इंडियनाइजेशन. सो देयर वी कैन से it was their Indianization, right? This is your first question which I described today. Okay, now the second question is, remember this way, this is also a small question. Which common features having tribes came to India? Which common features having tribes came to India? Discuss in short about them. Okay, now which common features having tribes came to India? मतलब जो एक जैसी दिखने वाली है, right? So the first point of the answer is Alpine, Dinaric and Armenoid. These three tribes came to India, settled here, and they were having same physical features. Next point, from where they came to India? They came to India from Central Asia. I repeatedly say my words. They came to India from Central Asia. So it is considered as their migration from Central Asia to India. Migration means कहीं से निकल जाना, and to be settled at somewhere else. It is also called migration. Next, here where they have settled in India, the last point of the answer, where they have settled in India today. Or in other way, which other people in other parts having similarities to them? See, in Gujarat, right? In Saurashtra. Saurashtra today is a part of Gujarat. So Gujarat, Saurashtra, Maharashtra, Bengal. When I use word Bengal means West Bengal of India, and Bangladesh is also included in it. Both are included. Bengal, and lastly I could say Odisha. It is today Odisha. Earlier it was known to be Orissa. Okay, now here I completed 2 questions. Okay.